What? What are you doing out there? Are you yawning? This is Morris. He's the neighborhood cat, the apartment complex cat.
What's the name Tang?
Oh, Tang?
Tang.
Oh, I don't know. What is cuter, Tang or Morris? Morris or Tang. We don't know what we're going to call him.
Well,
But he's
what, the neighborhood cat?
he's been here for 8 years. Everybody's saying they all know him around here. And they were doing the apartment. They got new management, and they're like blowing dust everywhere, and they scared him. So he came up our balcony, and we gave him a little bit something to eat. But I don't know. He looks like he's a good cat. I don't know if we should capture him.
When we first moved here, he was all skin and
Oh,
bone.
he's already settled here. I mean, we feel weird bringing him in and getting him fixed, but what are we going to do? He doesn't go anywhere, just hangs around here. Right, Morris Tang? Right, Morris Tang?